Hello, good people, and welcome to Excel Hacks for Productivity. One trick, 2 minutes to learn, hours saved every day. In this short video, we'll learn how to create a bulleted list in Excel. Unlike Microsoft Word, Excel is not well designed to create a bulleted list. But in this example, we'll go through a quick workaround to convert this list into a bulleted list and place it under this header. To do this, we first need to insert the shape or the bullet we want to use. And in an empty cell under Insert, you see the Symbols menu. So click in the Symbols menu, and over here you have options. You can choose any shape you want to use as a bullet. I want to go by the default black circle. So I'll select this and then click Insert. I have it in my cell. I'll close. Now, what I'm going to do is, where I inserted this sample, I'll highlight Copy, Control C, and then come and highlight my list. When you highlight, you press Control 1. Control 1 is Format Cells. So Control 1 will open this Format Cells menu. You come to Custom, and then under Type, you clean what is there and paste what you copied, the sample bullet, and then leave a space if you want, and then bring the @ sign. So basically what this is doing is you are asking it to place that bullet in front of the text at all times. So you click OK, and simply you have your bullet listed. The good thing about this is when you want to do this again, you can go back to Control 1, and this will be stored under your custom. So you can easily pick it here and apply instead of going through this again. Please practice and add it to your list of Excel tricks. For more of these short videos, you can send ad to this WhatsApp number. We'll add you to our broadcast list. We send videos to you directly on Mondays and Fridays. You can visit our YouTube channel. All our old videos are here. Please click subscribe for notification of new videos, or give us a like on our Facebook page. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.